Hi, it's Michael LaFido of the Marketing Luxury Group and author of the book Marketing Luxury. In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of an agent's network when you're going to hire them, whether you're looking to buy, maybe relocate outside of Chicagoland, or if you're interviewing an agent here in the Chicagoland market to sell your home, why the agent's network and how well they're connected will benefit you, the homeowner, the seller in this instance. Again, I am a member of Who's Who in Luxury Real Estate. I was actually voted their most valued partner. We won their MVP award. And when I go to these events, I'm networking with other top luxury agents from top cities. It's really important that an agent understands key migration patterns. We call them feeder markets. In other words, where are people moving into from Chicago? I have relationships with those top agents and brokers and all those key metrics. We understand them. And so that if they have someone that's relocating to the Chicagoland market, guess what? They're reaching out to us to say, hey, what do you have coming on? Which homes do you have listed? What's coming up that maybe isn't listed? The other thing is professional sports teams. I'm a member of the Next Move Network. I'm one of two agents here in the Chicagoland market. Recently, the Chicago Bears just hired an assistant coach, and guess what? They were referred to us. So we were showing them properties that were both for sale and for rent. Helping a Chicago Bears player. We just helped them find a place. And so having an agent that's well connected will benefit you, because the more connected, the higher probability that we can find you the right buyer for your home. With that being said, if you have any questions whatsoever real estate related, our contact information is below. And if you know of anybody that needs a second opinion, maybe their home has been on the market and they're not getting much showing or feedback, I can't tell you how many times I'm the second or third real estate agent. I'm literally helping somebody right now in the St. Charles market for a $1.5 million plus property. I'm the second agent, and they just told me, man, we're so excited that we chose a different direction. We love your thoughts, we love your creativeness, and we love the activity you're getting on our property. Again, my contact information is below. Let me know what questions you have about real estate, all things related. And remember, it's not the market, it's the marketing. Take care.